Packer racism. No, where would it go? I can tell you, I'm stop following. Deactivate the helper, and then the helper, oops, yeah. And then I get this one. Yeah, keep coming, keep coming. Yeah, use that one as a guide. Yeah, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, and then we activate the check it out, check it out. This is the stabilizer. Wow. And then there's a stabilizer, and the stabilizer, that's a stabilizer, guys. If you know the stabilizer, and there's a stabilizer, and these are the controls of the backhoe. Yeah, so the backhoe, this is what we call the backhoe. So the backhoe, typical, look what happens. Anyway, not a problem. Not a problem. We're going to use it, the backhoe the way it is. No problem. With much more problem with and those. Now, picture we could be digging. Well, no problem. This is not a problem. No problem. The only problem is that when the digging finish, there's a problem there. Digging. Now, digging. Uploading. Picture of me digging. Me digging the tape. No flip and digging. I'm really digging. So guys, I tried to hustle. It was so embarrassing to how it's done with people. It was just embarrassing. So I didn't embarrass myself. So I just tried to make it happen. I just tried. tried this. I tried, guys. I tried, guys. I'm trying. Because it's one touch. Trying to get this thing hooked up together. I'm trying. Guys, I'm trying. Sounds like I don't work on it. Do try it. Guys, this is so easy work. For easy work, I know how to do it. Operate the machine. That's the easiest work I know. I trained since 2016 how to do this. I've tried a long time to do this. And 2026 I'll be 10 years experience with me operating these machines. Guys, hey, Astrogon should provide a new machine level. Maybe there are outputs. Nobody really knows exactly how outputs are. Maybe. I think this one, maybe they only fix up a few things, but I don't really know exactly where there will be a new set of machines for the near future. But there could be, I think there would be. They definitely would be. Because Astrogon can just offer a few machines and that's not simple. Maybe Astrogon is not the only machine provider. And I didn't actually hunt for the right stuff. You know what I mean? I didn't hunt for the right stuff. So I put the blame on myself. I'm gonna put the blame on me. I'm gonna go and look for the machines today and then compare with what I need to do. So guys, after building that fence, I gotta get myself going. Go and look for the thing. Now there goes the machine again. That's driven. See, I tell you, these things. I think that's why I wasn't very early to drive this machine. You need to have a girlfriend person in the mind. Don't be with the machine. You have to be very, very careful between the way further. If you drive it like you're driving a Formula 1 vehicle, it won't last for you. It won't last for you. So you have to bear in mind, I use this machine. It ain't got all the tricks. It ain't got all the tricks as a Formula 1 race car. Although it looks like a Formula 1 race car, but the tools it has are not all that Formula 1. You know, it's funny you tell someone, hey, bend the shovel down, hey, do like this. When you're in the machine, you try to do this, doesn't really work. find the sword being a different story. Yeah, the sword. I think it's done now. Ah, it's done because hey guys, this is very rude, you know. It's very rude. It's not very nice. Keep on repeating the same story over and over. It becomes, provable that something is a scam. See, that's why I was suspecting that there are better companies out there that can make these games work out. So guys, that's about what has been done. So the rest of the story is that all the other lorries and other trucks they are available. You can go to the shop, you can go and collect them, right? Say this is your report, right? Right. So something unlocks, done in one. So that's what's the work been waiting for since January. Since January 2024. So all good company premises need proper warehouse. This old backyard won't just cut it. So there's a job to do. So everywhere in the country or in the world, the machines need to be done again. Right? Maybe the schools. That one that we have is called a Powfinger PK27002. A TGS with mailer. Yeah. It says you're doing the best earthworks with 430 F2 backhoe. Right. That thing is called a 430 F2 backhoe. So guys, subscribe, right? So that we can do the next chapter. Okay? Subscribe. See you again. See you again on another segment